Thank you for tuning in. Your viewership is greatly appreciated. We are all familiar with the process by which plants absorb water and minerals from the soil through their roots and produce food in their leaves. However, have you ever wondered how these essential substances are distributed throughout the entire plant? They are transported via a complex system within the plant's structure. Let's delve deeper into this mechanism by examining a plant's anatomy, starting with its roots. Water and nutrients are absorbed from the soil through specialized structures known as root hairs, which increase the surface area of the roots for enhanced absorption. But how does water travel from the roots to the leaves? Plants possess pipe-like vessels composed of specialized cells that form the vascular tissue. This tissue, known as xylem, acts as a network of channels connecting the roots to the leaves through the stem and branches, facilitating the transport of water and minerals throughout the plant. As water and minerals move into the root xylem, they create a continuous column of water that is propelled upwards. The plant maintains an adequate water supply, replenishing water lost through stomata by drawing from the xylem vessels in the leaves. This process, known as transpiration, aids in water absorption and upward movement, contributing to temperature regulation. Furthermore, leaves serve as the primary site for food synthesis in plants. This synthesized food, primarily in the form of glucose, is transported to various plant parts via another vascular tissue called phloem. This process, known as translocation, ensures that essential nutrients reach every part of the plant, including roots, fruits, seeds, and growing organs. Besides the products of photosynthesis, the phloem transports amino acids and other substances. In summary, the transportation system in plants involves the absorption of water and minerals by the roots, their transport through the xylem vascular tissue, and the distribution of food and other nutrients via the phloem vascular tissue.